Artificial intelligence is transforming everything, from how we work, to how we spend, to how we invest. And nowhere is that change more powerful than in the world of finance. It's a silent revolution, happening not in the streets, but in the servers and data centers that power our global economy. We are witnessing a fundamental shift where lines of code are becoming the new arbiters of wealth, and algorithms are shaping the flow of capital across continents. This isn't a distant future. It's happening right now. Behind the glowing screens of trading floors and inside the very banking apps on our phones, the era of digital finance is upon us, and at its core lies the unprecedented power of artificial intelligence. Not long ago, the world of banking operated at a distinctly human pace. It was a realm of paperwork, manual ledgers, and decisions made through intuition and experience. A loan application could take weeks, involving stacks of documents and face-to-face meetings. International transfers were slow, cumbersome processes. The financial system was built on a foundation of human labor, with all its inherent limitations and potential for error. But as the digital age dawned, technology began to seep into the bedrock of finance. The first computers were merely tools for calculation, but they planted the seed of automation. With each passing decade, that seed grew. Data became digitized, processes streamlined, and the quiet entry of artificial intelligence began. It started subtly, first by analyzing market data in ways humans couldn't, then by automating routine back-office tasks, and eventually by fundamentally changing how money moves across the globe. Today, automation is the beating heart of nearly every major financial institution. It's the invisible force working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring the global financial system operates with a speed and efficiency that was once unimaginable. AI systems now have the power to approve loans in a matter of seconds, sifting through vast amounts of data to assess risk with surgical precision. They stand as silent sentinels, monitoring billions of transactions around the clock, capable of detecting fraudulent activity before it can cause harm. Imagine the difference. In the 1990s, a team of bankers might spend days reviewing a single corporate loan application. In 2025, an AI can process thousands of them in the same amount of time with greater accuracy. This isn't just an improvement, it's a complete paradigm shift, moving from a system of human action to one of intelligent automation. This technological revolution isn't confined to the high-stakes world of corporate finance. It has woven itself into the fabric of our everyday lives. From the mobile banking apps that put a full-service branch in our pocket, to the voice assistants that can check our balance with a simple command, AI has made financial services more personal, accessible, and intuitive than ever before. These systems do more than just follow instructions. They learn, they remember your spending habits, analyze your savings patterns, and can even help you identify financial goals you might not have considered. They adapt to your needs, offering personalized advice and nudging you toward better financial health, sometimes before you even realize you need the help. What was once a reactive, transactional relationship with our bank is becoming a proactive, intelligent partnership, all powered by AI. Nowhere is the impact of AI more dramatic than on Wall Street, the epicenter of global capitalism. Here, algorithms have become the new titans of trading. Machine learning models, running on vast server farms, relentlessly analyze billions of data points every single second, from market prices and news, headlines to satellite imagery and social media sentiment. They make trading decisions in milliseconds, a speed that no human could ever hope to match. These advanced systems don't just react to market movements, they are designed to predict them. They identify subtle patterns and correlations hidden within the noise of the market, executing complex strategies to capitalize on fleeting opportunities. The modern trading floor is no longer a chaotic scene of shouting traders, but a calm, data-driven environment where financial analysts monitor fleets of AI bots, entrusting them with billions of dollars. But with great power comes significant risk, and the rapid adoption of AI is not without its challenges. Progress has a price. These incredibly complex AI systems can fail in unexpected ways, leading to flash crashes or catastrophic financial losses. The vast repositories of personal and financial data they rely on are prime targets for sophisticated, and perhaps most troubling, Algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify human biases. If an AI is trained on historical data that reflects societal discrimination, it may unfairly deny loans or services to certain groups, creating a new form of digital red light. Beyond the technical risks, there is a profound human cost. Automation is relentlessly efficient, and it is already in the process of replacing millions of jobs, from bank tellers to data entry clerks, forcing a societal reckoning with the future of work itself. We must navigate these challenges with caution, focusing on ethics, security, and the human impact of this transformation. So, what does the future hold? It won't be a dystopian battle of man versus machine. Instead, the future of finance will be defined by collaboration. Man asterisk with asterisk machine. The financial institutions that will thrive in this new era are those that successfully balance cutting-edge technology with the timeless principles of trust, transparency, and human oversight. We are moving toward a world of hyper-personalized banking, where AI anticipates our needs and helps guide us toward financial well-being. Imagine AI-powered advisors offering bespoke investment strategies, predictive models helping businesses navigate economic uncertainty, and entire financial systems optimized for sustainability and efficiency. This synthesis of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence promises to create a financial world that is not only smarter and faster, but also more inclusive and resilient. Artificial intelligence is just automating the old ways of finance. It is fundamentally reinventing what money is and what it can do. It's reshaping our relationship with our finances, our institutions, and the global economy itself. The change is exponential, and its momentum is unstoppable. The question is no longer asterisk if asterisk AI will change your money. The question is, how fast? The future of money has already begun.